Druacht, the Irish word for Jew. There are many Irish folklore customs and practices associated with the month of May, or Bealtaine, as we say in Gaeilge, the Irish language. These customs began on Ihe Bealtaine, the eve of Bealtaine. It was believed that the music of the Aes She, or the fairies, could be heard, especially on that night, when the year turns and the boundary between this world and the other world grows thin. Because fairies were believed to be especially active at this time, people were particularly careful not to disturb them. Livestock were especially vulnerable, so charms and prayers were used to guard cows and butter. The water, Uisce, drawn from the well on May Eve or at dawn on the 1st of May, was considered blessed or powerful. The face washed on May morning in Druacht na Maidine, the morning dew, was thought to bring beauty and health. These customs were once observed by our ancestors, and a few have carried through into modern times. One of the most beautiful ways to welcome Bealtaine and to honour the return of summer is by stepping into Druacht na Maidine, barefoot, quietly feeling the living earth beneath your feet. To take a moment at the seasons turning with conscious intention and give thanks for the abundance and the beauty of it all. Druacht, the Irish word for Jew.